In today's video, I would like to show you how to make this beautiful granny square. For this project, you can use any type of yarn of any size. Of course, you'll need to match it with its hook size. For my granny squares, I used my recycled cotton yarn and my 3.5mm hook. Make a slip knot and chain 6. Slip stitch in the first chain, and this will be the ring into which we will work the next row. For the next row, chain 3. This will count as a double crochet, and you will need to double crochet in the center 15 more times. Slip stitch in the top of the third chain from the start and pull on the tail to close the gap. Next, chain 4. This counts as a double crochet and the chain 1. Double crochet in the next stitch, and chain 1, and then double crochet in the next stitch and chain 1 again. Repeat double crochets and chain 1 until you come around the chain 3. You should have 16 double crochets, also counting the first chain 3. After the last chain, you will again slip stitch in the top of chain 3, and row 2 is finished. For row 3, you need to chain 3, and this row we only do double crochets. We will double crochet into each chain space and double crochet into each stitch. You should have at the end of it 32 double crochets. To finish the row, slip stitch in the top of chain 3. Your work will tend to curl up, but you don't need to worry because by the time you finish it, it will be nice and flat. Next row, chain 3, and then working in the same space here where we slip stitched, you work 4 double crochets, chain 3, and then work 5 more double crochets in the same space. This will form a corner. skip 2 stitches. Make sure you see this stitch here. So 1, 2 we skip, and then in the third one work a single crochet, and then in the next stitch work 5 double crochets. Next, work a single crochet in the next stitch, skip 2 stitches, and then in the third stitch we will work another corner. So that means 5 double crochets, a chain 3, and another 5 double crochets, all in the same stitch space. And then you continue this pattern for 3 more sides. Skip the last 2 stitches and slip stitch in the top of chain 3. From this point, chain 4, and work 1 single crochet in this chain space. Chain 1 and work another single crochet in the same chain space. Then chain 4, and single crochet in the next single crochet that you did in the previous row. And chain 4, and single crochet in the next single crochet. And chain 4, and work in the chain space 1 single crochet, a chain 1, and another single crochet. We are making a nice base for our final row. So continue to chain 4 and then work single crochets into each of the single crochets and the chain spaces from the corners. After the last chain 4, you will work here where you slip stitched in the beginning, and you work a single crochet. For the final row, you will need to slip stitch in the chain space. You need to start here and then chain 2. This will count as a half double crochet, and we will work 4 more half double crochets in this chain space. in this corner chain 1 space, you need to work 3 half double crochets, a chain 1, and 3 more half double crochets. And from here into each big chain space, you need to half double crochet 5 times. So 5 half double crochets here, 5 here, 5 here. When you reach the corner in the chain 1 space, you need to do 3 half double crochets, a chain 1, and 3 half double crochets. And this should give it a very, very nice square shape. To finish this off, you just slip stitch in the first chain here, and then fasten yarn. Weave your ends in, or just make a knot with these two in the back, and then you can see your square is already flat without doing anything. You can of course block it by your preferred blocking process, and now you have a nice square for all your amazing projects. If you enjoyed this video, please remember to subscribe, and if you'd like to see anything other interesting, just write a comment in the comment section. I will see you next time. Bye bye.